Best crypto to buy today on CoinGecko January 25. Helium, IOTA, MANTA. Helium's HNT, IOTA, MANTA and presales like Bitcoin, Minetrix, and meme Kombat stand out as the best crypto to buy today. Image by CryptoNews.com. Helium HNT gained considerable attention from investors exploring the best crypto to buy today, surging 17.34% in price. The price increase was due to Helium's recent expansion into Mexico through a new partnership, highlighting the potential for continued growth of its network. Other compelling gainers were IOTA, rising 15% after announcing asset tokenization agreements, and MANTA, climbing 14.75% due to strong adoption. For investors focused on early opportunities, the presales of Bitcoin, Minetrix, and meme Kombat have captured attention as developing crypto projects ripe with potential. Best crypto to buy today in the news. Helium will collaborate with Telefónica to enhance connectivity through its DePIN hotspots in Mexico's major cities. This partnership is expected to bridge connectivity gaps and deliver advanced blockchain-powered solutions for secure data offload with the potential for a global reach. The market has responded positively to Helium's initiatives, with the HNT token witnessing a notable 17.34% price increase yesterday. Still, Helium is facing scaling challenges and must demonstrate the viability of its decentralized network, despite the potential of the Telefónica partnership. While its attempt to democratize internet access through blockchain technology is a bold step, coverage consistency and data speed are areas for improvement. IOTA market performance has been buoyant, with prices surging 15% over the past 2 days following founder Dominic Skinner's reveal of major asset tokenization deals. The price reached 2,529 cents earlier today, with further momentum expected. The upcoming IOTA Ethereum virtual machine, slated for March 31, 2024, is set to enhance IOTA ecosystem significantly. This advancement, coupled with the release of the new alpha platform version, underscores IOTA dedication to improvement and broadening its capabilities. Technical indicators point to a bullish trend for IOTA, with the current trade price at 2,459 cents, representing a 9.69% increase so far today. The price action suggests a possible breakout from a descending trendline, which could propel a bullish rally. Based on the technical setup, potential upside price targets could be around 32 cents. Meanwhile, MANTA Network has marked its status as a capable Layer 2 scaling solution, evidenced by its $1.58 billion total value locked in over 745,000 user addresses. Transaction numbers exceeding 11 million further confirm MANTA's rising trajectory. Pyth Network's addition of the MANTA USD price feed expands its trading accessibility across more than 50 blockchains, catering to a wider decentralized market. MANTA Network's two Layer 2 blockchains, MANTA Pacific and MANTA Atlantic, have saved users substantial gas fees. Despite facing a DDoS attack and complexity in its staking program, MANTA Network has shown resilience in the market. For those investigating the best crypto to buy today, the presales of Bitcoin, Minetrix, and meme Kombat should not be overlooked. These early-stage projects are also drawing attention for their potential impact on the broader cryptocurrency sector. Investors monitoring the market for optimal purchases will find a mixed environment, with established cryptocurrencies like Helium, IOTA, and MANTA Network progressing alongside new presales. Each project presents a unique set of advancements, market reactions, and dynamics, underscoring the importance of staying informed and adaptable. Discerning investors focused on unearthing the best crypto to buy today and moving forward face an investment space constantly in motion, full of promise. Bulls eyeing $7 resistance as Helium's HNT price stabilizes above key levels. After posting a notable 17.34% gain yesterday, the HNT price has retreated 51% so far today to $6.656 amidst declining trading volumes. With HNT stabilizing above key support levels, technical indicators remain at a crossroads as investors determine whether this is a pullback within an uptrend or the beginning of a deeper correction. The 20-day exponential moving average EMA for the HNT price stands at $6.669, while the 50-day EMA sits at $6.83. With a faster 20-day EMA still above the 50-day EMA, this hints at an overall bullish trend for the HNT price. However, the narrow distance between these EMAs highlights increased volatility and uncertainty. HNT's RSI currently registers at 50.60, down from yesterday's overbought reading of 53.68. This pullback towards the midpoint suggests waning upside momentum for the HNT price after its recent advance. The MACD histogram is printing at 0.85, slightly improved from the previous day's 0.97 value. This indicates the short-term trend remains bearish, though sellers may be losing control. With HNT stabilizing above the Fib 0.382 level of $6.739, bulls will look to recapture the psychological $7 level, which aligns with resistance between $7.34 and $7.448. Beyond this area, the Fib 0.5 of $7.277 marks the next target. On further declines, initial support rests at the 20-day EMA of $6.669, followed by the 50-day EMA and Fib 0.236 $6.83. A daily close below this area would strengthen the case for a deeper HNT price pullback towards the $5 handle. Overall, the near-term outlook remains mixed for HNT, following its recent advance. While holding above the 20-day EMA keeps short-term momentum intact, decreased trading volumes are a concern. Breaking out above $7 resistance or breaking down through $6 support will likely set the next major trend. IOTA faces initial resistance, bulls target key EMAs. IOTA buyers have stepped in decisively for the past 2 days, propelling the price 15% higher to 2,400 cents. With IOTA now attacking key moving averages and resistance, technical indicators are reflecting strengthening bullish momentum. The 20-day EMA for the IOTA price stands at 2,393 cents, while the 50-day EMA resides at 2,473 cents. With the price rising to test these levels, a decisive move above could signal a bullish trend change. The 100-day EMA sits slightly lower at 2,331 cents, also representing a target for the bulls. The RSI has surged to 48.35 today, up sharply from yesterday's oversold reading of 39.6. This rapid ascent reflects strengthening upside momentum that could propel the IOTA price through overhead resistance. The MACD histogram has ticked up to 0.7, a marked improvement from the previous day's 0.28 level. IOTA bulls will now be looking for a bullish crossover of the MACD above 0 to confirm the emerging uptrend. Initial resistance for IOTA is expected between 2,279 cents and 2,349 cents, where sellers have emerged. Clearing this area would open the path for a test of the 20-day EMA at 2,393 cents and the 50-day EMA at 2,473 cents. Beyond this zone lies the psychological 25 cents level. On pullbacks, the first major support level lies around 2,100 cents, which represents the confluence of the Fib 0.786 retracement level and IOTA current swing low. If this area fails to hold, the 200-day EMA at 2,161 cents would become the next downside target. The technical outlook is improving for IOTA following its recent rally. With the RSI and MACD signaling strengthening upside momentum, penetration of the EMA resistance and 25 cents level could catalyze an accelerated move higher. Remaining above 21 cents support will be key for sustaining the newfound bullish bias. MANTA price faces resistance at all-time high, eyes next major zone. The MANTA price is taking a breather after hitting a new all-time high of $3.33 earlier today. Despite pulling back 10%, MANTA remains supported around the Fib 0.236 level at $3.6412, keeping the uptrend intact for now. The hourly 20 EMA at $3.6,144 and the 50 EMA at $2.92883 continue trending up, reflecting the bullish momentum. The 100 EMA at $2.74766 is also rising, but at a slower pace, signaling potential consolidation following the sharp surge. With the RSI at 56.16, MANTA has room to continue rallying once it gathers more upside energy. This indicates the path of least resistance remains higher for MANTA, while Fib 0.236 support around $3.06 holds steady. Looking ahead, the next major resistance zone for MANTA sits between $3.26,257 and $3.33079, where the all-time high currently resides. A decisive breakup of this area would resume the uptrend. On the downside, the critical Fib 0.236 support at $3.6412 remains key. As long as MANTA trades above this level, the bullish trend stays intact. A breakdown below $3.06 support could lead to a deeper correction towards the hourly 20 EMA near $3.06. For now, MANTA remains in an uptrend while taking a breather above key Fib support. The bulls stay in control as long as $3.06 holds. A breakout above the $3.33 resistance is needed to confirm the next leg higher in MANTA. As interest shifts to the next crypto breakout, Bitcoin Minetrix and meme Kombat are seizing the presale stage with novel concepts and mechanisms hoping to make a splash. Bitcoin alternatives with momentum, the best crypto to buy today. While has Bitcoin pioneered the cryptocurrency disruption of traditional finance, focusing solely on Bitcoin overlooks other up-and-coming cryptocurrencies progressively gaining traction. savvy crypto investors are shifting their attention beyond Bitcoin to identify and invest in other cryptocurrencies with growth potential before their official launch. Participating in presale events for new cryptocurrencies provides opportunities to purchase tokens at discounted rates before the public launch. Ventures like Bitcoin Minetrix and Kombat have generated extensive presale participation from investors attracted to the potential high returns if the projects gain momentum post-launch. To attract early adopters and build momentum, presale events for new cryptocurrencies often provide extra motivations like discounted prices, token bonuses, and prize drawings exclusively for presale participants. For instance, Bitcoin Minetrix is currently running a giveaway with a $30,000 prize pool where 10 winners will each receive $3,000 worth of BTC-MTX tokens. With over 40,000 entries so far and 158 days left to enter, this highlights the creative incentives some cryptocurrency presales are using to generate interest. However, risks exist when backing unproven crypto ventures in the presale stage. Performing thorough due diligence and assessing the project's real-world utility and application is vital before investing. Diversification remains crucial. Balancing presale participation with holdings in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can provide stability. Yet the huge upside profit potential warrants measured involvement for investors open to calculated risks. These presale opportunities provide exposure beyond leading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to the uncharted territory of alternative cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency presales put on display the copious ingenuity thriving in the crypto space. Judicious crypto investors can seize on these openings for potentially sizable returns by distributing investments between proven cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and new cryptocurrencies that are traversing early developmental stages. For crypto enthusiasts, having thorough research and diversified investments is key to maneuvering the dynamic cryptocurrency market flush with opportunities. Accessible BTC mining. Why Bitcoin Minetrix's BTC-MTX could be the best crypto to buy today. The cryptocurrency startup Bitcoin Minetrix has raised $9.2 million during its recent presale, according to a company press release. The presale allowed early investors to purchase the project's BTC-MTX token at a discounted rate ahead of a future public listing. Bitcoin Minetrix aims to streamline the Bitcoin mining process through a pioneering stake-to-mine mechanism. This allows token holders to stake their BTC-MTX tokens in exchange for Bitcoin mining credits, rather than requiring expensive specialized hardware. The presale success mirrors widespread interest in Bitcoin Minetrix's vision for accessible Bitcoin mining. The project has accumulated over 19,100 Twitter followers and endorsements from crypto influencers like Michael Rubel and Connor Kenny. Through staking BTC-MTX tokens, users can choose to either gain access to Bitcoin mining time or receive a portion of the mining yields. This dual income potential is driving demand for early access to tokens. The stake-to-mine mechanism has undergone auditing by blockchain security firm CoinGecko to ensure its effectiveness. The project's white paper also details plans to eliminate barriers to entry like high electricity costs. As the crypto mining sector expands over the next decade, Bitcoin Minetrix is positioning itself as a pioneering option for passive income. Upcoming events like the Bitcoin halving in April are expected to impact crypto mining economics, potentially emphasizing energy efficiency. With the global crypto mining market projected to reach $7 billion by 2032, Bitcoin Minetrix intends to provide an accessible avenue for participating. Kombat, the play-to-earn meme coin that could be the best crypto to buy today. The new crypto gaming project Kombat recently hit $7.4 million raised so far in its ongoing MK token presale. This presale success demonstrates that Kombat is rapidly gaining traction in its early stages. The project intends to capitalize on the booming popularity of meme coins and culture. It plans to create battle arenas where prominent memes like Doge and Pepe the Frog can face off in simulated fights. Users would wager MK tokens on match results for chances to win prizes. With both crypto gaming and meme coins surging lately, Kombat's creative concept is resonating strongly with investors seeking the next big thing. The presale makes 50% of the total MK supply available for eager buyers. Another 30% goes towards staking rewards and gaming prizes to incentivize holding the token long-term. The remaining 20% funds exchange liquidity and community contests. This presale success and token allocation reflect Kombat's thoughtful strategy. By rewarding presale buyers and token holders, they look to kickstart strong engagement immediately. Turning presale hype into sustained platform adoption remains the challenge. But with its imaginative premise, early traction, and solid tokenomics, Kombat seems well positioned. If the team can execute on a fun platform, it could attract a loyal following. Hitting $7.4 million this early is an impressive start for Kombat. For investors seeking exposure to surging crypto, gaming, and memes, MK presents an intriguing opportunity, the best crypto to buy today. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.